Hi everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl, hey, thanks so much for joining me today. I am so excited to share with you the Babe Box, the March Babe Box, and its theme is Home Sweet Home, but before we get started, please make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment below. Thanks so much to everyone who has been subscribing, so let's get into this video right now. So first of all, this is from the Honeybee shop. I will leave the link and the contents of the box below. I've already kind of shuffled through it, so let's get through some bad news first. Okay, so the only bad news is, and I guess it's not just me because I saw Shan mention it on her Instagram, is the pen. Beautiful, beautiful pen. What? Exactly. So the charm has snapped off. So let's just get through the bad news first, you guys. So the charm has snapped off. There's not even a way for me to kind of like reattach it. There's no like loop. It's definitely, you know, snapped off. And then here is that part of the charm. So I remember on the Honeybee shop, Shan mentioned to like email her. So I did. I'm still waiting to hear a reply. I know I will, but I'm a little sad about it. Really cute pen. It's this like brush metal silver, and inside are some crystals. And this is just really cute. I can see how beautiful it would be. Oh, and there's a beautiful stone diamond up here at the top. So a little disappointed. I'm hoping that maybe she'll send me a new one or get it fixed because it's pretty cute. If not, oh well, I will just kind of let someone borrow my pen and never see it again. So anyway, so that's that. And something else. Okay, well, let's go into the journaling card. So when you sub to the Babe Box, what's really nice is Shan from the Honeybee shop, she tells you what comes inside. So right now, if you'd like, pause it, check it out, read what's inside, and then we will definitely get to it. So there you go. And I love the journaling card. It is a shiny cardstock, very, very pretty. I'm gonna zoom out a little. Love it. Love the flowers, love the color. My condo is this color gray on the walls. It's very pretty. So what's really nice about this Babe Box is she has teamed up with Primitive Lights, I'm pretty sure, and the candle is called Twilight Love. You guys, it smells so clean. It smells like, oh my gosh, it smells like laundry. I love it. It smells so, so clean. I'm just gonna leave it like right there so it can make my planner room smell really nice. And if you're interested, here's the business card. And here's the back, and there's the story. Wah! Sorry guys, gravity is not working right now with me. So there's that. And then hopefully you can see it. But if not, it's all good. I'm sure if you visit the blog, you'll see it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Another cool thing is in this Babe Box, we get a keychain. And it says Home Sweet Home, and it's an acrylic keychain. Love it. Nice quality. Love this. I think I'm gonna put like our storage locker key for our condo on this. Love that. What's also cute, and I love in this Babe Box, is it came with a magnet. So it says take note, and then you get a whiteboard marker. So I'm definitely gonna put this on our fridge. I can write little notes to my husband and say, hey, I love you, and what you doing? And there you go. Super, super cute. Nice. I can't wait to put this on our fridge. Love that. And then what else we get in our Babe Box is another journaling card. So here's the journaling card. And at the bottom it says bloom where you are planted. And on the back, same thing. So I love the different complexions of the girls. The honey the honeybee girls, so adorable. Oh, the artwork is amazing. So let's get into the paper. So the first thing is we got this really nice red, pinkish floral with polka dots. The next paper is some succulent paper, but not just any kind of succulents. They're like different colors, like pinks and reds and greens. This one is super cute. Oh, and on the back, I will be showing you sort of the opposite. So like this one had the flowers, just in case you're wondering what's on the back. Love that. And this one matches the journaling card so well. And here we have some doodles. And on the back of that one is sort of a watercolor pink action going on. I love it. It reminds me of the Golden Girls, not hating, because you guys know, if you watch some of my other videos, I love the Golden Girls. And then we have some other floral paper, really pretty. And last, which is at the back, is again a beautiful watercolor green and brown and blushy pink. So there are the papers. I'm also going to set up my photo up. Oh, the U came off. That's okay. You guys know what I mean. And then here's the pen. And my favorite part of all are the stickers. I love the stickers. So here's the pack of like die cuts and stickers. I'm just gonna pull them all out. So you got these really huge die cuts like this. Really pretty. Home Sweet Home on the back. Not cardstock, just regular paper, but still beautiful as can be. And then we got some succulent, I don't know, like curve rainbows. I don't know what you would call them. So we got some of these. And then some really nice blush pinks and deep pinks. And this is a gray. I hope it's showing up on camera. It looks like a blue gray. Then here are the headers. Really pretty. Matches some of the paper. This one right here. Home Sweet Home. And then here are the icons. Love it. I love the day off laundry. It's so cute, and it's that blush pink. Really nice. And you know, Shan makes her own doodles, so this is not clip art you can find online anywhere. And then we have some headers to do today, little things, and some boxes and half boxes, some trackers. After that, we have some more checklists and check boxes. Really pretty. I love how everything just goes with everything. So like when I do my journal setup in my Kate Spade planner, I just kind of use everything in the kit. Or if it's my mini happy planner, some half boxes. I really love the scallop. Love scallop. Scallop live. Decorative scallop. I don't like real scallops. And then we have some boxes. So if you're wondering, you can pick the complexion you want. So I mentioned it before, so I have like the medium tone complexion, and there's a lighter and a darker one. So I think it just flows so well, and I love how like my Babe Box kind of represents me and what I look like. And then some date headers, cover-ups. Some really pretty icons that were probably die cuts. And last but not least, we got some honeybee shop babes, and again it's that medium skin tone. So the last Babe Box, if you recall, it came with some more die cuts, and so this time you got really jumbo die cuts. So I think that's really nice. We didn't get any mini die cuts, but what's really nice when you sign up with the Babe Box is you get the digital kit. So when you get the digital kit, then you can make your own die cuts kind of thing. So that's really, really nice. It's a great option. And that's what you get in the Babe Box one more time. I'm pretty sure we're not missing anything. And that's it, you guys. So thanks for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed this Babe Box unboxing. It was super adorable. I love everything. I love the graphics. I love the home sweet home theme. And from what I understand, April's theme is just peachy. So I am super stoked to continue being a Babe Box subscriber. Make sure you visit the links below in the description box so you can check it out yourself. No, this is not a PR or I'm not getting paid for this. This is just me genuinely loving the Babe Box stuff because I love the graphics. It's totally unique, totally different, and it's kind of nice to see other subscription planner boxes. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!